In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Wix website with ease. Whether you're looking to enhance your site's atmosphere or simply wanting to provide a better user experience, incorporating music can be a fantastic way to engage your audience. Let's dive right into it and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Wix's login page. You can either search for Wix login directly through a search engine like Google, or navigate to Wix's homepage and log in from there. If you don't have an account yet, now's the time to sign up. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard showcasing your existing sites. Locate the website you want to edit and select Edit Site. This will direct you to the design phase, where you get to bring your creative visions to life. Now you're in the Wix Editor, which is your canvas. Here's where the magic happens. Once you're in the Wix Editor, look towards the left-hand panel. You'll see an option labeled Add with a plus sign. Click that and a menu will reveal itself. This menu has all sorts of elements you can add to your site. For our purposes, we're focusing on adding media. So scroll down and find Video and Music. By clicking on this, you'll gain access to a selection of music files that you can embed into your site. Next, browse through the offerings under Video and Music. Wix provides a variety of media options to choose from. Pick a track you believe will align with the vibe you're aiming for on your site. You might want to listen to a few different options to see what works best. Keep in mind the atmosphere you wish to convey, whether it be calm and soothing or upbeat and lively. Once you've made your selection, you'll see an Add to Site option. Clicking this will place your chosen piece of music onto your site, just like that. But you're not done yet. You can adjust where the music player appears and customize its settings to suit your layout. Drag the music widget around and place it where it will be most accessible for your visitors. Remember to consider your audience when adding music to your site. Ensure that the music complements the content and isn't intrusive or disruptive. A helpful tip is to set the music to play at a moderate volume, and always offer your visitors the option to pause or stop the music. Finally, preview your site to see how the addition looks and functions. Simulate the visitor experience and make any necessary tweaks. If everything looks good, voila, you've successfully added music to your Wix website. Now all that's left is to publish your site for the world to enjoy. Happy editing!